Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file sales tax in Florida. Gather your sales records, determine your filing frequency, and register or log into the Florida e-Services portal to begin. Next, know your taxable sales versus exempt sales, collect necessary form details, and calculate total taxable receipts. Finally, prepare payment information and select your filing period so you can complete and submit your return on time. Start by listing each sale and marking whether it is taxable or exempt, then total taxable receipts by county if needed. Apply the appropriate state and local combined rate to each taxable amount and calculate the tax due. Include any discretionary surtaxes, lodging taxes, or special district rates where applicable. Keep detailed records of each step, save calculation backups, and reconcile totals before entering numbers into the e-Services return form. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers make packing lunches stress-free and prevent spills during busy days of bookkeeping and deliveries. I use them to keep meals organized while I work through receipts and filings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Log into Florida e-Services and start a new sales tax return for your chosen filing period. Then enter total taxable sales, tax collected, and any deductions. Verify credits, prepayments, and penalties to get the final balance due. Select your payment method and complete the electronic payment to avoid late fees. Download or print the confirmation page and store it with your supporting documents for easy retrieval during bookkeeping or audits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.